Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. It's probably plenty hot where you are today as well as it is here. We're going to talk a little bit about air conditioner repair. Suppose you find a hole, if you can find it, in a condenser or your coil. What are you going to do about it?
Well, we've got a quick little trick to show you. We've got some heat seal epoxy that what we're going to do is we're going to heat the coil up where the hole's at, and we're going to apply some heat sensitive epoxy to it, and it'll melt in that hole. We'll apply a little bit of vacuum on it to help draw it in that hole, and this is made specifically for air conditioning. You can find it on the web. I think there are several types out there, but it's a great product. It's a quick fix. For like 10 bucks you can get this stuff, and it'll do numerous repairs on your coils.
Probably not going to get it at your local auto parts store, but maybe an air conditioner repair store may have something like that.
So what we're going to do first, we're going to apply a little bit of vacuum to this thing. And there won't be anything to show yet because we've got this huge gaping hole here. But when you use this stuff, you want to heat the coil and not the epoxy. So you want to heat the coil up and then take your heat away.
We've just got about 2 inches of mercury as a vacuum on the system, so not a lot of vacuum on it right now. So now basically we've got the hole sealed with the epoxy, and so what we want to do now is we want to make sure we get all of the water out of the system. So we want to evacuate it. We've got the vacuum pump on it, and we're going to start to pull a vacuum on the system and essentially boil the water out of it.
And why you want to boil the water out of it is a couple of reasons. One, you don't want air in the system, which as the water expands and turns into steam, it expands 16 times. But when water reacts with the refrigerant, it becomes an acid, so it'll eat your system up from the inside. So, yeah, this is drawn right down. Everything's looking good. I believe we got it sealed, Randy.
So basically, it's going to take a little bit of time. You got to let the vacuum pump run for a while, again, to make sure you get everything out of it, and then you're ready to put new refrigerant back in, and hopefully be a little more cool than it is right now.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to try to get my air conditioning running so I can cool down.
That's our tip for this week. We'll see you next time.